Toreador, en garde, toreador, toreador. Hello and welcome to Victorian Opera's Access All Areas Livestream Program. Vocal range, what is how low and high a singer can sing. Hello, Candice.
Hi, Angus.
You say you're a designer, yet this stage you've made looks way too small to put any singers on it.
And you are totally right. This stage is almost a third of the size of what the real thing will be.
What is your job, Rob Roberts?
Well, I am the director of the show for Alice, and it's my job to be in charge of everything that's happening.
How do you feel in that costume?
Good.
Can you do a little... Show us the back? Can we see the back? What do you think? Glamorous? Now, you may notice we are not in the rehearsal space that we've been in. We are actually in the Playhouse Theatre.
This is a very brief tour of one of the dressing rooms. So you can't have a dressing room without dressing room mirror lights.
Simon, what's going on here? What are you doing?
Well, this is our second rehearsal with the orchestra today. So we had a rehearsal yesterday. And today we're putting everything together musically with the singers and the orchestra.
All right.
Very exciting.